Lean, mean, calculating machines. That's what all my students are, especially you. In the previous round, you've knocked out the third and fourth proportional. Time to set your sights on the new prize, the biggest, baddest type of proportion around, the mean proportional. It goes like this. Suppose you have three quantities A, B and C and they're written like this in proportion. What we aim to do is to find this B, which is called the mean proportional, that one right in the middle. Let's just look at an example to see how we can find it. Just remember, by it, I'm referring to the mean proportional. First things first, let's consider M as the mean proportional and then put them all in proportion like this. Here comes the knockout punch, the magic step we all know and love. The product of extremes equals the product of means. So, first the product of the means M into M, then an equal to sign, and lastly write the product of the extremes 9p power 6, q power 4 and r power 8. This becomes m squared, which, while impressive, isn't what I need right now. I was actually looking for m. For that reason, take the square root on both sides. The value that comes out of the square root is plus minus 3p cubed, q squared and r power 4. You had to find m, the mean proportional, and you have two values for it as your solution. One with a plus sign and the other with a minus. Done! This round is over. While you take a breath, how about a quick recap of your opponents? You've dealt with all of these different kinds of proportions. Time for a boss battle. Your next opponent is eyeing you and is ready to jump in the ring with you. It goes by the name of continued proportion. In this case, we place three quantities in proportion A, B and C like this, such that A is the first, B is the mean and C is the third proportion. If this is the case ever, then we say that A, B and C are in continued proportion. We'll use another example to understand how we can find an unknown value if it's in continued proportion. The question says that 12p and 3, they are in continued proportion. Given that, we need to find the p. Firstly, place the given values in proportional form like this. Then, it's the same old, same old. Equate the product of the means to the product of the extremes. Seems to work for everything. Doing that, you get p squared equals 36. Because we need to find p, take the square root on both sides. You will get p is equal to plus minus 6, two results again. I might have called you a machine, but even machines need rest, and this was enough of a mental workout. We'll pick up the same pace in the next lesson with a couple of mentally stimulating theorems.